So here we can do our own scatter plot. So if we plot these points on this data, we can plot along the x-axis years and along the y-axis is distance. Okay, so we can plot the shot put records and see if there's some sort of trend. This is going to be what we're looking for. So in 1984, the shot put record was 22.09. So let's say it's somewhere around here. Okay, so I want you guys to do this on your graphs as well. In 1986 is 22.64, so 22.64, maybe somewhere around here. 1987 is 22.91, so somewhere maybe just right about there. Okay. In 1988, we have 22.06, so maybe somewhere around there. And in 1990, we're at 23.12, so maybe right about there. Okay, so we can see that there again is this positive trend, okay, in the data. So there's a positive trend in the data. That is, we can say that the world record is increasing. Okay. The world record is increasing as time goes on. Okay, so, and we kind of should expect this because, you know, the better science, better nutrition, but it looks like it seems to be dropping off a little bit here. In fact, this one here seems to be a little bit off. You would think based on the linear trend anyways, that we should maybe have a higher, a bigger world record here, or longer world record. You know, and there could be some explanations to this, and it's interesting to try to interpret and make some justification for this data. You know, maybe since 1988, you know, there's a big drug scandal in the Olympics in 1988. Maybe because of that, people are not doing performance enhancing drugs, and we can see that maybe that's the reason why these world records were tailing off at that point. Okay, so we can start giving some justifications, some hypotheses. Now, obviously, we have to test these things. But if we were to try to justify that, we do have, the data does seem to lean towards that sort of justification. Okay, so that is one way, again, we can use data. We can interpret these results and see and make some conclusions or try to justify our conclusions based on these trends. Okay, so let's do this one here. This is, I want you to do this scatter plot, and I'm going to pause the video so that you can do this on your own, and then you can see how I've done it.